This is the LX3000, a 5-color press using Xeikon's proven dry toner technology. It allows us to load and print on materials of up to 330 mils in width and printing at 322 mils. We can print on a variety of different substrates ranging from paper labels to self-adhesive films, polypropylene, polyethylene, and clear labels and wine labels as well. Here we are at the unwinder. Here we can load rolls of up to 850 kilos. That's a maximum diameter of 1.5 meters. We have here a motored lift to help load that material at the push of a button. Following the lift, we have our splicing table. This is the media web alignment guide, which will automatically center your material during the print. We then also have our print conditioning unit, which will allow us to condition particularly paper material. In case that paper has any moisture, we're able to control and print on that material more efficiently. Here we can see our 5-color station. We have our white, yellow, cyan, magenta, and black. This is reversible and in fact can be configured any way the customer wishes. We can also introduce custom-made spot colors for extended gamut. We will also have the possibility to add metallic toner as well. We have gold and silver, for example. So during printing, the operator will be notified when you are running low on toner. The operator will then be able to load toner during production without needing to stop. Inside, we will find 5 print stations, 5 OPC drums, each running simultaneously during production, which means that there is no loss in speed during printing. We are running up to 42 linear meters a minute, regardless of whether we are in 4-color or 5-color configuration. Same goes for the white. The white will also print with a good opacity in single pass. This is where we fuse our toner to our media using our main fuser drum, our prefix, and our non-contact prefuser. We will also find here our inline spectrophotometer and our inline registration camera, which will automatically correct any miscolor registration. So we are ensuring perfect color-to-color registration as well as registration of the print during production. The customer will also have the option to add inline here, for example, our varnishing station. We have the option to add a UV varnish or a water-based varnish. After varnishing, we will collect then our material on our rewinder. We have the possibility to slit inline to collect multiple roll as well. And here we have our media web alignment guide as well to ensure good collection on the rewinder.